Hi, I'm sure that many have encountered a situation where you download 3CX for the first time, either for yourself or to show it to a potential client of yours. So you install and configure 3CX, provision IP phones, configure SIP trunks, DIDs, routing, set up your IVRs, voicemail boxes, etc. And after a short period of evaluation, the decision is normally taken and 3CX is purchased. But many users experience some headaches at this point because there is no guarantee that the license key they use in the original install would remain the same. So in previous versions, admin had to migrate by taking a backup of their system without license key information, uninstall their current install or delete the VM, recreating a new one, go through the waiting time to install updates, then reinstall 3CX, map the new installation with the purchased license key, and restore the configuration. And apart from the amount of work required, it could be that sometimes the FQDN would be taken or an IP would have changed. Some other problems occur, yeah? Well, 15.5 Update 5 just made our life easier because we have added a new function called Replace License Key, which essentially allows admins and users to enter a new license key on an existing system at any stage of the install. All the license data, FQDN and registration from the previous license will be instantly mapped and transferred to the new license key. Simultaneously, this also frees the previous key and it will be ready to be used somewhere else. This is a very powerful licensing improvement because it saves time for admins and reduces any issues that can occur during a migration. Some important facts about the license key replacement. In hosting mode, the hosting admin will not be able to replace the license key. In failover, replacing of license key is not allowed. The key may be of a different family. Example, you can replace an annual to a perpetual or vice versa. The key you use to replace must be of course enabled and healthy. It must have valid maintenance. The target key must not be bound to an FQDN. And the target key cannot be a free key. I hope you have found this informative and I thank you for watching.